Alright, so here we are checking in at Six Flags Magic Mountain for the new ride for 2019 West Coast Racers. As you can see here, there's currently drilling on site, and there's a lot of rebar that you can't see from the shot that has arrived on site in the most previous days. And a few days ago, some more supports for the ride have arrived at the park. And they're drilling these for the footers, hopefully. And maybe we'll see some actual concrete being poured within the next few days here at Six Flags Magic Mountain for West Coast Racers. Oh, this is cool, dude. You get to see all the construction from there. We are currently in the West Coast Racers preview center at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and from here, towards the back of the preview center and the small shop that's connected to it, you have this nice window over here that clearly shows the construction in all its glory firsthand. And you can see right here, these open holes where it has the white tubing around it are going to be used for pouring in footers momentarily, I believe. But you can see more rebar way over there, right next to Totally Kickin' Chicken, or at least formerly Totally Kickin' Chicken. And I do believe that is all for West Coast Racers. And Apocalypse, however, is getting finished retracking this final turn over here before the brake run. And that's all we've seen recently from Apocalypse. Alright guys, here's this little somber update regarding Green Lantern First Flight. Unfortunately, it was recently announced that the park would never ever reopen this ride. It would be relocated and removed at a later date. But this is it right here, and yesterday it was testing most of the day. And what everyone is saying is that officials and executives from the Parc La Ronde in Montreal, Canada were visiting the park yesterday to see if this ride is functioning and operating properly, to see if it's a possible buyer. So I don't think we will ever see this ride operating again. The park also announced that they plan to remove it without another reopening, without any last rides. And that's basically it for Green Lantern's First Flight here at Magic Mountain 2011 to 2017.